10 Best High-Protein Foods for Healing After Appendix Surgery. Recovering from appendix surgery requires rest, care, and most importantly, proper nutrition. Among all nutrients, protein plays a vital role. It helps repair tissues, supports the immune system, and promotes faster healing. After surgery, your body needs more protein to recover from the physical stress and rebuild damaged cells. Here are 10 of the best high-protein foods to include in your diet after appendix surgery. These options are gentle on digestion and rich in nutrients to help you heal stronger and faster. 1. Eggs. Eggs are easy to digest and packed with high-quality protein. They contain essential amino acids your body needs for healing. Start with soft-boiled or scrambled eggs for better tolerance. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is thicker than regular yogurt and contains almost double the protein. It also has probiotics, which are good for gut health, especially after antibiotics used during surgery. 3. Chicken breast, a lean meat choice. Chicken breast is a great source of complete protein. It's low in fat and can be cooked soft and tender for easier digestion. 4. Lentils. Lentils are a good plant-based protein option. They are also high in fiber, which helps with bowel movement after surgery. Soft-cooked lentils are gentle on the stomach. 5. Tofu. Tofu is soft, mild, and high in protein. It's perfect for those who prefer plant-based meals. Its smooth texture makes it easy to eat during recovery. 6. Cottage cheese. This dairy food is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and helps in long-term tissue repair. It's also soft and easy to chew. 7. Salmon. Salmon offers both protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation. Baked or steamed salmon is gentle on the stomach and highly nutritious. 8. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen and easy to digest. It supports tissue healing and keeps you hydrated. Sip it warm for comfort and nourishment. 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is a grain that provides all essential amino acids. It's light, gluten-free, and easy to mix with vegetables or soft proteins for a balanced meal. 10. Tempeh, a fermented soy product. Tempeh is rich in protein and gut-friendly bacteria. It has a firm texture but can be steamed or softened to make it easier to eat. After appendix surgery, eating the right high-protein foods helps you recover faster and feel better. Choose foods that are soft, easy to digest, and rich in healing nutrients. Combine them with proper hydration and rest for a smooth recovery. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.